Sage stones. How to play. The object of this 2 to 6 player game is to place all your stones on the board first. Unroll the board, and each player picks a color and takes its 10 matching stones, or 8 stones when playing with 6 players. The oldest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll all 3 dice. If all dice are different, your turn ends immediately and the next player goes. Otherwise, add up the sum of all 3 dice. Then, place one of your stones on the board in an empty space in that numbers column. If the rolled column is completely full, then place the stone in the number 6 column instead. In the rare event that the number 6 column is also full, then the entire board is wiped clean of all stones, returning them to their owners, and you end your turn. If you roll all 3 dice of the same number, then, after placing your stone, you get to take another turn. Whenever you place a stone so it sandwiches any number of enemy stones in between it and one of your own stones already in play, with no empty spaces, then remove those enemy stones from the board and return them to their owner's supply. You can remove stones in this way horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Additionally, the non-numbered edge of the board wraps around, allowing you to make a horizontal or diagonal capture along the edge of the board. You may capture in multiple lines with a single play. Stones placed in between enemy stones in a line are not removed. Only when the sandwich is created are stones removed. If you do not notice a sandwich at the time it is played, you lose the opportunity to remove those enemy stones. The first player to place their last stone on the board wins. In a 2-player game, each player controls 2 independent colors, taking a turn for each color consecutively before their opponent plays. You are allowed to use one of your colors to remove stones of your other color. The first player to get all of one color on the board wins.